Alright, so I had a few people asking how this gun comes apart and functions, so I figured we'd do a quick video on that. Bear with me, I'm recording on a phone, so it's going to be a little shaky. But you want to start by removing the nut on the front of the barrel. So we'll do that. And it's attached to a threaded rod that simply connects to the mainspring. So you pop that off, and then from there, the barrel slides out. Just right out the front, nice and simple. So for cleaning, that's about as far as you need to go, but let's say you want to take out the trigger. Also a pretty simple operation. There's one single pin holding it in. Usually I have it covered with electrical tape, but I took that off for the purpose of this video, so bear with me here as I grab a punch. Alright, so there's the pin. It's a piece of 1/8 inch drill rod, just a little cut off. And then with that removed, the trigger itself just comes out as one solid piece. Trigger was originally a Mauser 98 trigger that's been heavily modified. Pretty crappy looking too. I just kind of blobbed a weld on it to extend the length of it. Other than that, there is just an unmodified bolt from a hardware store. I think this is, 5/8 by 20 threads per inch, something around there. Not really important, but it has a coil spring wrapped around it, and all that does is simply just provide upward spring tension on the trigger, which gets in the way of the barrel and locks it open for it being ready to fire. So pretty simple design, honestly. I mean, there's like 3 total moving parts in this gun. Keeping it simple works fine, and that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand how it works.